Hi, I'm Sue Brooks, District 119's Distinguished Toastmaster Chair for 2023-2024. I'm excited to let you know that earlier this year, District 119 presented DTM 101, a program to introduce members to what it takes to complete a DTM, a Distinguished Toastmaster Award. We are pleased to take a deep dive into Speechcraft, facilitated by Sheryl Roush, DTM Accredited Speaker, past District Governor, on Saturday, September 30th, 2023, at 10 a.m. Eastern. Sheryl will discuss why conducting a Speechcraft program is right for you, how to market your program to non-Toastmasters to encourage participation, the benefits to your club as a sponsor, and share her best practices for conducting the program and more. To register, view the information at the end of this video. District 119 Toastmasters is ready to support you and your goals on your journey to completing your DTM. See you soon.